All right, so we got a quick shifter from OTNOTR. I thought that just was like the brand that was shipping, but it looks like it's their quick shifter, but it's supposed to be patterned after the Honda quick shifter. So this might go really, really good or really, really bad. Which is, this is like a couple $100 cheaper than the OEM Honda one. Ooh. We'll find out. All right, so that's what's in the box. It looks like Honda. OEM. Brackets. Connector. And this is the this one goes to the actual transmission. So I think everything's in here, man. We'll see how it go. We'll see how it go. We'll install it like OEM. Hopefully it goes out well. And if it does, I'll put you guys on and send you a link. All right, we're getting it lined up. Center to center. As close as we can to what I have on the feet. I mean, as close as I can to what I had on the bike, so it can work the best. So I'm gonna make some adjustments. And then we'll lock it down on top, then we'll lock it down at the bottom when we put the bottom on. All right, guys, so got the dummy plug off. That was down there. This supports up here, right here. The new one just goes in the same spot. It's a little different shape. As you see, it's tightened down. Boom. It's in their pocket. This is where you connect the quick shifter. It's 8mm. By the way, that's 10. That's 10. This is 8. You can put it back in and cinch it down. Want to put a little Loctite on it. Feel like you need to. Keep it from backing off. So far, it looks good. I did use a little bit of blue Loctite on the nut in the back. I just kind of hand cranked it down with 2 10mm box wrenches. And once again, you guys saw I did kind of line it up based on the factory. So yeah, we're almost put it together. It's for this. So really, you don't need to change. I guess you don't need to change it if you don't want to, but man, you really want your wires just kind of dangling and hanging any kind of way. Line it up. Push in, nice, satisfying click. Tuck that back in. Get this as far away from the elements as possible. Here we are, the mechanical installation part. All right. I gotta do all the wizardry inside here and all that, and do the paper clip thing in the back. Also reconnect the battery, do all that stuff and get it set up in here. And then we should be good to go. Of course, I'm gonna tighten this back up, put it back in place in this spot. But yeah, we should be good to go. Hopefully all that works out. All right, so to access this, you're gonna have to get this off. So 2 things. One, this one right here in the front, this is what gets off its mount. This one right here in the back, this is what releases it from here. Do not try to take these 3 that you see right there off. That's how you do it. All right, so you've got the paper clip in here, the giant paper clip. It goes into the super light one and then also the green one. Did initialization, quick shifter off. Let me get this damn light off you. All right, there you go. Quick shifter off. So we just gotta go in here and set it up. And yeah, man. Let's do it real quick. Function, quick shifter, up, on, down, on, and then we gotta play with the up levels. How many levels is it? Just 3 levels, so we'll leave it on 2 for now, and down level, 2. Yo, let go. Exit. Q shift the up and down on, baby. Of course, we gotta do a test ride. We're gonna do it in the morning. It's dark out right now, but I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good in this mother. Getting hood in this mother. And make sure you move this, put the cap back on, and tuck it back in so you don't mess up nothing else.